Okay, now I am gonna head into doing the, what's it called now? The Breacha boy. So this is kind of what you might call the, I suppose, the most complex one that's left to do. And probably the most complex one in the kit, to be honest. Right, so I've kind of plotted it all out in advance though, so I can go through it. I used, I'm forgetting what I actually used now, black on this instance. So starting out with 56, 57 and 58. Okay, so there's 56 and then I think 57 over here. And then 58 being the backpack over here. Well, we've got a hammer. Like, I couldn't have assumed that when it always fires, just starts hitting the thing. It's probably a very awkward thing to do, actually. Start off with a big hole, put the charge in. He's got some dynamite here. I think this is definitely one of the bigger jobs to do, but then once it's done, I think the rest are nice and easy ones to sort out. I mean, I love how when you look at it, there's kind of like certain parallels between the Death Corp unit and this one. So there's kind of like a demolition guard, a breacher boy, the sniper, the flamers, you know, so there's kind of those crossovers in concept. Now, obviously, lore-wise, Commandos are notorious for behaving in an unorky manner. I think it's because they're traditionally part of the Blood Axe clan, who tend to, you know, have a habit of picking up human traditions, which is frowned upon by other orcs. So, you know, the whole idea of them basically acting too human, acting, you know, trying to emulate certain behaviours of them, which I find quite funny in some ways, because obviously orcs are far superior to humans in a lot of ways, but one might argue that they're probably emulating Space Marines to some extent. Oh, I don't know why I'm trying to glue the head. I don't have the head out yet. No, I said I'm pleased because I'm going to have a freebooter clan. I can make them however I want. and not feel anything is out of place. So for me, obviously with my big mech, he's gonna be getting together anyone he finds useful. Let's have a quick look here. So we need 59 for the head, 60 and 61 for one of the arms. So 59 for the head, there's 60 for one of the arms. Don't want that one yet. 61, this is the hand over here. 60 for the head. Come on, where's the head? 59, sorry, 59 for the head. I got 60 and 61 out as well. Okay, I got these tidied up and secured on. Just check the fit there, nice and solid that. Start letting that dry while I clean up the arms. There's quite a lot of web lines on this. I need to get them off. Okay, so glue that hand on. Getting the... Oh, I'll be glad when this is all done. It's such a long-winded thing. Let me just check it. So this is... Oh, do you know what I've done? It's 60... Yeah, so this goes on this side. I'm not paying attention here. Still need the little part of the arm. Which number is that one? It's number 60. Let me just find that. It's kind of like a shorter part of the arm. Like, here we go. It's in the middle. Let's get that bit tidied up and all that. It's done, eh? Okay, try that again, get the actual right hand on the right place. I'm going to give that a minute to breathe and dry while I put this left arm on. I got the other arm on. think I'm going to have to stop after this one for a bit. I think my back's locking up. Okay, let's get this one finished and then I'll be an happy man. Okay, time for the actual breacher itself. So this is quite a huge part, this really. But I've just realised what I've done is not paying attention. I've took that off. That's only if you're building the other one, that's C70. Right, let's get the breacher arm up and running here. So it's obvious that they kind of drill and smack into the wall with this beautiful thing, eh? Yeah, let me get all my parts off. That's everything from there. Let's see, 65, 66. I know some little bits of it are here. Thought they were anyway. There we go. So there's a kind of couple of tiny little parts of it. Be careful with these little bits, they'll bounce off easily. Okay, and then we've got, what are the parts? 63 over here. Let's see, we've also got, I think there's another part over here somewhere. Oh no, it's in the middle. There we go. 66. Just get that cleaned up. Tidied. All these horrible little marks, eh? Okay, get this part on here now then. So let's put the front of the breacher on here. Now I want, just making sure it looks like it's quite okay if it's so it goes that way, so it feels like, yeah, like that way up, slightly off center, so implying that it twists when actually in use. Now, next part. This feels like it kind of pops in the side there. Now this part, let me work this out. So it's going, yeah, down and under, popping into the underside. And this, now let's see where this is heading to here. So this is going to kind of join back up with the arm in a bit. I think what I'll do, I'll put the actual, yeah, it's kind of like a handlebar. So if I get the gun arm positioned, then I should be able to go bop and then bop. Then kind of gently tuck that in like that to form a bond. There he is. Awesome. Now, two little bits to go on finally. 62 over here, which looks like a shoulder guard. Then I think I saw one other piece, 73. Okay, which is him deciding it's a safe idea to put some explosive material on his shoulder. All right, and we're almost done with this one. We just got to put these last little bits on. And then he can start smacking holes in walls, which is assuming his job really, to you know, pretty much get rid of anything that's in his way. So a couple of is using a dimple and nipple. And then on the other side now, just checking. Oh, this ammo is going to go on his belt here. Right, there we go. That is the Breacha boy. He looks all perfect now. So there we go. Hope you enjoyed that video. Please like and subscribe.